What is the equals symbol for in Python? I know it is for decorators, but what is equals for in Python? Is it just reservation for some future idea? This is just one of my many questions while reading tokenizer.py.
From the documentation. The at operator is intended to be used for matrix multiplication. No built-in Python types implement this operator. The operator was introduced in Python 3.5. @= is matrix multiplication followed by assignment, as you would expect. They map to _matmul_, _matmul_ or _matmul_ similar to how plus and plus equals map to _add _rad or _I add_. The operator and the rationale behind it are discussed in detail in PEP 465.
@= and are new operators introduced in Python 3.5 performing matrix multiplication. They are meant to clarify the confusion which existed so far with the operator, which was used either for element-wise multiplication or matrix multiplication depending on the convention employed in that particular library/code. As a result, in the future, the operator is meant to be used for element-wise multiplication only. As explained in PEP 0465, two operators were introduced. A new binary operator, A and B, used similarly as a B. An in-place version, A = B, used similarly as A = B. Matrix multiplication versus element-wise multiplication. To quickly highlight the difference for two matrices. Element-wise multiplication will yield. Matrix multiplication will yield. Usage in NumPy. So far, NumPy used the following convention. The operator, and arithmetic operators in general, were defined as element-wise operations on arrays and as matrix multiplication on NumPy.matrix type. Method/function. Was used for matrix multiplication of arrays. Introduction of the operator makes the code involving matrix multiplications much easier to read. PEP 0465 gives us an example. Clearly, the last implementation is much easier to read and interpret as an equation.
@ is the new operator for matrix multiplication added in Python 3.5. Reference this URL. Example.
Symbol.